Welcome. If your Snapchat is acting a bit slow, glitchy, or just not running as smoothly as it used to, clearing the cache can make a big difference. It's quick, safe, and won't delete your memories, chats, or saved content. Let's walk through it together. First, open Snapchat on your phone. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings live. Next, in the top right corner, you'll see a small gear icon. Tap on that to open your settings menu. This is where Snapchat keeps all the controls for your account, privacy, and app behavior. Now, scroll down through the settings page until you find the section labeled Privacy Control. It might take a second to spot, so just keep scrolling until you see it. Under Privacy Control, tap on Clear Cache. Snapchat will give you a brief explanation that clearing the cache removes temporary data stored on your device, which can help improve performance. Once you tap it, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm that you want to clear the cache. Within a moment, Snapchat will remove those temporary files and refresh things behind the scenes. And that's